Yeah. Wawan Human Tube, JTexium here, and welcome to my domain.
What?
Yeah, me just feel like it's about time to start do vlogs again. Without further ado, know if you do like, subscribe, if you want to join the journey, and leave a comment.
I got you, homie.
First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get rid of this like right now. The blood clots not frighten me for. Suppose to say this sharp, you would have cut off me.
Sorry.
Right. See that? Finish with that. I'm not stay long down on the flat. Pack up my phone them in my pouch. That one day when I film the pan, I could go into the after I finish using. But for now, we're gonna look something to consume. So, let's get it. I got antagonize mommy now.
2,000 years later.
Down to my mother's house I go. Hopefully me no put on the video here and then delete them later coming but bro, I try my best for doing the content. That's all I can say. We have to document our journey. We've come a far way. We've had a lot of experiences, good, bad, and all of them teach me. All of them. Everything we go through in our life, I take it as a life lesson.
Good job!
You did. And throughout all of my experiences, I've tried to maintain a positive attitude towards life. Because when you breathe positivity into a negative situation, you're going to reap positive out of that situation. That's so you go, whatever you sow that you reap down. But this 1 minute, take me 2 minutes to reach down, mommy. Alright. And then she did about it by the way. She in there, yeah man, she did there. But she said she watch some type of African show or K-drama. Alright, watch a joke. Madre! Get about that bed from morning. Hey yo! What's it great? Get up with that man.
Me personally, I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.
I'm gonna throw fire pan.
You fire upon it, you got money.
No friend, man.
You know every day, no man.
You know going.
When you got video me.
I have video, myself, me a video.
You know video.
You think you're cute? You think you're cute?
My nice and weed.
You think you're cute? It's myself, me a video. See there, myself, me a video.
You is a pussy hole,
no hug me up. No hug me up.
You see this damn boy couldn't have come disturb me, please.
You're short?
Yes. That's how we take tall man.
You love get trouble?
I get tall pitney. Now that's how we take tall man because I'm short. And if you look up in your face.
You might not even come out here yet. And I almost 12 o'clock, mommy, sun hot out the door.
No, I watch a there out of me. I have to lay down this up on the bed.
But what I wrote
I watch it.
You still know wake, kid. You still asleep.
Me wake. You're too brick. RCFC, PC brick. Rubbish.
Still asleep. Go, man.
Rubbish. Nothing.
We don't have if you
I know something you call up in there. Come out of my house. Rubbish.
So we have
Fruits and all them.
we have bread.
The bread is little bit, but the water is enough.
I know this one. You mash up the chocolate and not give me nothing? Oh, see that. But I'm sure people the chocolate, man.
Come out of my pan. Do a chocolate, man.
Wow, sun mix. Yes, yes, you. We are eating good today, boys. We're eating good today.
I'm get the rich bit too.
Ritzo Bitzo.
Now, I'm really mad.
Let me get them here. Get them from now.
We're eating good today, guys.
Robbie, everything good not today, nothing.
Then I was.
You don't get none of me snack then.
Now help me teeth them from me.
No. Who will help with these, man?
Wanna help me? Yo,
No.
yo. Open your bag. And put this in there first.
Give me bread. Don't clap bread for soul. You wanna try to tease me?
Then you can show off a pull pan and show me.
I'm not show you. Cashew, peanut. I don't know what movie. And me and them and give you none.
From the man.
Move on them.
A shot like could they have a tip free day in the camera.
I get him
Every guy.
back off the face.
See the guys, we're not up till we tax mommy $1,000.
You're broke. You're fucking poor.
See it.
So you can, man.
We say, we are gonna split up this. I'm gonna split up this between me and Uno.
Me a ATM card?
I split up this between me and Uno.
Rubbish.
Don't listen to her here. She's all about the money. Like broke life, never know she. we forever both see she all about the money.
Broke like know me, of course.
Yes, me and me mommy.
Broke like know me.
Bro, me say like he never know you. Me say he know yes, he know we. Now a different reality. Alright guys, so I'm back with sweating. I'm back in me Kiev. Me did I carry black. Me soon show no. Actually because me have nobody for video it. But as soon as me forward back from Shigan, then me give her the phone and make sure you record me carrying the black. See you over there so. Me must be the bravest man to the Clark. I mean, you know, one time when we did talk to such woman from up in the remember? And we did out of such place and she had tell me about her best friend. I'm going to say best friend a man, you know. And sitting at home, I go want her and all type of thing. You know, go see best friend and work in a barber shop. Imagine, I him trim me, you know? The man have razor blade under my neck, you know?
Wow! Okay!
You see me? So if me and me in things, yeah, you know what I sitting there, I go to me meanwhile, you can't imagine, just you can't imagine, say, oh. You are a man in things, and then you are a guy in barber shop, you see me? Or you go to a barber shop where you normally go and then you go find and say, you start walking there, you see me? And I got trim you. But he cool, just as the same as me. That's why, as me tell you, say, bro, you be always assume say people good. You understand? Is when they show you the true colors now. And at the time they say, oh, that's somebody I'm not stand far from them. Because they push up energy where, yeah, you can't deal with that. And that's not what I prefer in my reality. But me, I tell you, man, have reason that me could have both me show you if you feel like.
Why ain't no way, boy?
I'm going to prison. Over the just that you play while me cut your neck with the share for shooting at you. Move legend. Play movie legends while me a blood clad line you. Practice. Go practice. No. Never grew up my mustache with them people that them think I'm Italian just like my first name. They grow my mustache they think I sell pizza. Italiano. I want a sheet on the bed.
Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
That's the one saying I think. I want a sheet on the bed. So I like this come down. No, man.
Which boy a man to come up and everything?
So what you expect? Man, them not play to win you with play.
And robot.
Oh.
That's why them change up here and jungle and jungle and take everything. I said one of them have one jungle, one of them coming on the base from jungle.
Because we could have do that, you know, 1v5. And so we used to get Chang Bunny for Jews, you know. One I think on the 5.
What do you mean by that?
Everybody get OP.
Yeah, man. And you what?
You what?
They always beat you up, you know. They beat you up always most of the time because they're overpowered.
Yeah, one man there, man, alone. I say Chelsea US straight. I saw me do that, then I can take me somebody dance like. Because me Chelsea.
And how much you can take on one time when you get to a certain level.
Yeah, that me do.
And that was the start about for real, man. And that blood feed going how much sublime. Years we literally not play for. You know, say we really lose the grip to a certain extent, but mythic level playing with the Japan brother.